today video we are going to learn how to make the combination select. Means what is the use cases of the combination selector. In the previous video we have seen the simple selector and their types. So in this today video we will learn how to use the combination selector and combinator selector. So we will type those things. Previously we have seen simple selector, the combinator. In this one they are having three types. So first one is descendant selector. So first one is descendant selector, and the second one is the child selector, and the third one is sibling selector or general selector. We can say. So basically, it is having three types of selectors. So first we have learned the simple selector, now combinator selector. Inside the combinator selector, it is having three different types. The first one is descendant selector. Second one is child selector, or we can say immediate child selector, we can say, and then general sibling selector. So how this will work and what are the use cases of this one and where it will be helpful for us. So we will start from one by one. So first we will make one div. Inside this div, what we will add? We will add one paragraph tag. Inside this paragraph, we will add one lorem and then one button. And inside this button, click. So okay, like this I've added. But if I copy the same thing, copy. So then, and I will format this document, format it here. Okay, next I have already made a one CSS file, and I will try to import it here. But in that I haven't written anything. So I will in front of you, I will write that one CSS. Okay. Now we are having one body, view, one paragraph, and button. Four things are there. So how to use this descendant selector? So basically, I have just for dummy data I have already typed. So body, then div, then paragraph, or else I will take one button, direct that button. Okay. So this is the how this will work means by providing the space in between them, we need to provide one single space. Then it will understand that we are it is the descendant selector. And here inside this one, I will make the change the background color of the button aqua. Okay. So then how it will be looked inside this one? You can see both of them are having the same both of them are having the same types of color. So how to what is the change in that? So if I'm what if I tell like it will not apply if we write outside this one. So I will copy this button and I will paste here and I will go to the browse. So here you can see the click is the button, another button has been added, but it haven't got any color because that is not a part of this one. So how it works means first it will go inside the body. Inside the body, it will go to the div. Inside wherever the this type of pattern is there, it will read the entire thing. But how that it currently what we are doing directly we are writing the button outside the part, so then it will not work. So then it will say that the path whatever you are passing is not accepted by me because I am outside that path, so then it will not get applied. So we have got to know how this will work. Now next we are having uh, another selector like the child selector, or we can say immediate selector. So how this will work? So I will keep the content as same as this one. I will just make this one as a one right arrow mark, and I will save, and this one also I will save. Then we will go to this one. Then what is the change in between them? So both are having the same thing. Then why it is looking both of them as the same? So basically, this will select the first The element will are direct children of the parent. So how we can say in the sense means wherever we are passing this div, suppose if I pass that same thing outside this one, see it is also not getting applied. So this is the one basic difference by that from that one and this one. It will select the direct child. So what is the difference in between them means? So previously, if I pass like this one in the descendant selector, so suppose we are passing like this. Already we have been. So I will make it as a descendant selector again. And here button I will keep inside one another div. I have kept inside one div. And again I have rendered the server. So still it is the path because already how it is getting triggered means inside the div wherever the button that is it should be selected, but in the direct selector in the child selector we can say it will search for the immediate. Suppose if I make it as a like this only, it is the same thing inside the div it has been wrapped. I will show the example also. Now see, here both are not getting the color. See, leave the last one. Check for this one. So now how it will means there it will get applied, but here it will not get applied. So it is the one use case. It will search for the direct one. Suppose it was not inside this div means it was getting applied. If it is inside the div, then it will not get applied. You have got to know that example how it will work, how it will not work. Then again we are going on another example. So I will format this one. Inside this one, we are having one another selector like general sibling selector, we can say, and how it will work. So basically, we it is not so much in use case. So, but as a beginner, it know these things and how it will work and many more things. So, like first you will, then li. Inside the li, first I will add one, two, then like this I will add some more things. So, okay, I've added the five. So then what is the use case of this one? Then we will go to this one general sibling selector, and inside this one, I will add the style and I will leave it. It will still it will work again. You will it is used with the plus icon or else this floating one icon is there. We can say in, wherever you use the backtick, there you will get this one. If there is a small use case in this one. So how it will work means then li or else we can say first we will use this one li, then inside this one style wherever we need to apply the style, background color is to qua. So you can see the color has been applied. So then now we will check how this will work. Li, li, color is to background color only. I will change directly. I will remove this one. It is not use case here currently. So except the first li, others will get color. So the plus icon instead what it will tell me. So previously one is the first li and these are the other li's. So it is telling that except me, uh, take others as a first li. So then instead of this one, if we use this one tilt, we can say. So tilt is also one of the use case, but that is not so much used. So but currently, if you make it as a something like li inside this one, if I add paragraph, now you will get to know little bit change. See, if I make it as a plus, still it will be what it will do means it will neglect this one. See, it was getting the color, but it has been neglected again. I will undo and I will show you again. It is the tilt one. Here the first one has been removed and the hello has been removed. Only 2, 3, 4, 5 has been applied using the tilt one. If I add the plus one, it will neglect this one. So this is the it is the not much used, but as a you are the fresher, you should know this one, how to use this one, and what are the use cases of this one. So in this video, got to know how to use the direct selector, descendant selector, and general sibling selector. And like this, what are the use cases of that one also I have showed as an example. So as a interview preparation, you should know this one, all the things, how it works. Don't just hide this one, just practice it. Automatically, it will get you get to know that what is the small first difference in this one and where you will use this one. Okay, we'll see in the next video. Subscribe the channel and like the videos. And for any information, more information, just comments.